girls, welcome back to another vlog. It's Ariani. Today is currently Monday, March 3rd. We have our community clinical today. Actually, I was just told that me and the other student that goes to this clinical site are going to be split up today, so I'm going to be by myself with the nurses. So that should be pretty interesting because I've never been alone at a clinical site before. We also have a meeting today with our instructor to kind of go over how clinical is going, and we do have a group paper that's coming up. Our first draft is due next week, so we have a meeting today to kind of talk about how the paper's progressing and just how everything's going. But that's gonna be later on at around 12. So that's pretty much what today's gonna look like. I'm gonna start getting ready so that we're not late, but I will see you guys after clinical. We are home. I went on ahead and got ready for the day. We don't have much to do this week, but we do have a concept map that is due on Wednesday, so I'm going to be working on that today. I like to turn things in before they're due, so maximum or the latest that I want to turn it in is tomorrow, but I do want to turn it in today. But no worries if it's not in today, because we have time to work on it tomorrow. We also have our midterm tomorrow for our community class, but I'm not too worried about it because it is a open book, open notebook exam, and I have all of my notes ready, so we're good. So I guess the plan for today is just to pretty much work on our concept map, get as much done as we can, and then turn it in tomorrow, the latest, or hopefully today. As you can see, it's been hours later. We're in bed, it's nighttime, and I'm just getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have our 12-hour clinical, so I already know if I don't go to sleep by 10 p.m. today, I am going to be exhausted tomorrow. So as you guys saw, we had lecture today, and I also reunited with my friends that I haven't seen in forever. My schedule is just so hectic, I never have time to see them, so I was like, you know what, today I have time, let's go see each other. So I hung out with them today. But we did have our midterm exam. I don't know how well I did because it doesn't show your grade at the end, but we took that. I think I did well, but she still has to release the grades. So yeah, I took my midterm today. I hung out with my friends, and I also had class today. So that was pretty much everything that I did on campus. But now we're just gonna chill and relax before tomorrow because tomorrow's just gonna be a long day. So I'm gonna watch some TV shows. Right now I'm watching Severance, I'm watching One Tree Hill, and am I watching anything else? I don't think so. I think I'm just gonna watch a movie though, because I did just see that She's All That is on YouTube, so I'm gonna watch that before I go to bed. I do still have to write my part on the group assignment. I haven't even started it. I haven't looked at it or anything. I have a meeting with my group on Friday, which I initiated, by the way. I have a meeting with them on Friday, so I really have to get on this paper. My part is really long, so I don't even know why I did that to myself to leave it last minute, but you know, I'm gonna work on it probably Thursday and keep working on it Friday morning before the meeting. And then yeah, I think that should be enough time to kind of get started and write a significant amount of my part because my part is so long. But I'm gonna go ahead and start watching my movie, and I will catch you guys up tomorrow. Good morning, girls. It's currently 5:30 in the morning. Happy Wednesday. We have our pediatric clinical today. I woke up so early this morning. I literally sat there and I was like, this is our 12-hour clinical today, so I packed my bag up for 12 hours, okay? It's the third time that we're going. 12 hours is a lot for anybody, so I'm excited to get back home and do some self-care after our clinical today. Let's head off to clinical and get this 12-hour over with. Good morning, girls. Happy Thursday. It's the next day. So I had clinical yesterday. It was a good clinical day. The only thing is that I feel like I need to get used to being there for so long. I did wake up this morning and I already got started on my paper. I already finished up one section, but that was already 3 pages and I have 7 more sections to go. So I can already tell that today's just gonna be a full-on writing day. I'm really trying to treat this first draft as if it was the final draft, just so that we have less work to do later on. We're just gonna get comments on our first draft, and it's not graded. So we have 3 drafts. It's the first, second, and our final, and only the final is graded. So I'm really gonna focus on her comments. I'm just gonna treat every draft as if it was the final. So I'm just gonna be writing the whole day. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, even though I feel like this vlog is gonna be really short because there wasn't really much going on this week. If you guys made it this far into the video, comment a white heart emoji. That's gonna be our secret message for this week's video. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.